What's the meaning of coatroom? Coatroom. Coatroom.
Coatroom. Coatroom. A coatroom is a space in a public building where people can temporarily store their coats and other personal belongings. It is typically located near the entrance of the building, and may be staffed by attendants who collect and organize the items. Coatrooms are commonly found in places such as theaters, museums, and restaurants, where people need a place to store their outerwear while they enjoy the venue. The purpose of a coatroom is to provide a secure and convenient space for people to store their belongings, so that they don't have to carry them around with them.